Welcome back to the channel on YouTube. Right here, we're going to be reviewing a gorgeous Porsche 911 base. Just a Carrera. It's a 2022 with this gorgeous blue exterior. I'm not sure the exact paint color on this car, what it's called, but as you can see here, this car is an absolute beauty. Gorgeous blue exterior, black rims, red Porsche brake calipers. Stunning car. Now, honestly, I just reviewed the GT3 and the GT4. I kind of enjoy driving this car a little bit better, just because it has more pops, more burbles, and it definitely has the look to go with it. Gorgeous interior with tan, red seat belts. Let's go ahead and turn her on. That sport exhaust on. Gorgeous exhaust note on it. Like I said, has a bunch of drama with the pops and burbles. Go ahead and listen to this closely. Oh, it's hot. If anyone's interested in purchasing this car, it is available at Maserati of Tampa. Only has 26,000 miles on it. One owner, a 2022. Comes with heated, cooled seats, etc. Fully loaded. And the PDK transmission. Absolute beauty. All right, it's a hot day here in Tampa, Florida. As you can see here, the sun is not playing with me, so let's take it for a drive, have some fun with it. That's what these cars are meant to do with these engines, and just overall have a good time. Turn the AC down a little bit. Once again, guys, I don't have a GoPro, so I am recording with one hand. You're gonna just have to deal with it. This is how we're doing the car reviews now on my channel. It's like, it's just easier with my phone. It's a 16 Pro Max, so, you know, it has that good camera. Why not just use it, you know? So overall, I mean, this car handles like a sports car should. And for a base model, you can definitely hear the turbos. Yeah, very, very nice sounding car. Has the cooled seats. I'm actually going to turn those on. Those are heated. Let's turn the cooled on. And they instantly, you can just feel them instantly coming on. Yeah, you can hear those pops in the background. Sounds pretty nice. I mean, Porsche, especially with the 911s, they always have those nice pops, which is a huge selling point for these cars. And I know why. It sounds nice, honestly, for what it is. Now, every man, I think, should own a 911 in their lifetime. And the question is, when will I own mine? I was considering buying this car, but actually, let's just pull. Nice downshift. You hear those pops? Absolute beauty of a car. Gonna make it right here. You gotta drive a 911 like you stole it. I mean, that's what the engine is built to do, so. PDK transmission, you know, like in most of my car reviews, you can be in fifth gear, you floor it a little bit, drops down to second or first, and you're automatically in the most sportiest setting you can be in. So as far as Porsche goes, everyone knows they have that amazing transmission, hard to beat, and they're just very reliable engines, so you can pretty much do what you want to the car. You can launch it 30, 40 times over and it's still going to be fine. That's kind of why people buy these cars. They're reliable sports cars that are good for everyday driving. They have the look to them. They're very cheap on maintenance. And they're just absolute studs. So, I reviewed a bunch of Porsches on this channel. If you guys enjoy the daily, or monthly actually, Porsche reviews, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. Anything helps on the channel. Anyway, just floor here. Very good brakes in the car. Hard to beat. Very hard to beat. Now, as far as how this car corners, very well. You see me cornering the car here with pretty much putting no pressure on it. The car corners so well. You can do it with one hand, and we're in the sports suspension, sports setting. And the car is always going to do its thing, so handles speed bumps well, ditches, holes, all that stuff. It's not the lowest sports car, which makes it, you know, a little more easier to drive for the everyday driver. And it revs high, so you're not going to damage the engine revving it up, you know, to 9,000, 8,000 RPMs. It goes to red lines at 8,000 RPMs, and I can see why there's such a big market for these cars, especially if you can pick this up pre-owned, you know, for low hundreds. It's a no-brainer. It's fast, it looks nice, it corners well, you can track it, you can daily it. Like, what more can you ask for, you know? Especially with the new C8s out. This is a lot cooler car than a C8 for a little bit more money, and it's a Porsche, so you get that love that most sports car enthusiasts want to get when it comes to owning a car. Let's go windows down now for the tunnel run that's going to be coming up. There you go. Very, very simple. Instant sport response in this car. It's amazing transmission. Probably can't hear me with all this wind. I know you can definitely hear those pops, man. All right. Tunnel run coming up very, very soon. Ready? Yeah, pretty much like I said, bulletproof engine. Amazing sports car. All right, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Like I said, this car is available at Maserati of Tampa, so if you are interested, let me know. Short one today, guys. I mean, the car speaks for itself. It's an absolute beauty. Low mileage on it. I don't want to rack up the mileage. Yeah, besides that, thank you guys for tuning in for another 911 review. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one.